How to change your name on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your name on Uber Eats, whether you have made a typo or want to change your name, then in this video I'll show you how you can do it in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your account section. Now here, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your account settings. Now here, once you are in this section, just tap on the option labeled as Edit Account. So here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Uber account section. Now here at the top you can see several tabs. So from there just tap on personal info, and now here inside this section you can see the option labeled as name. So simply tap on it. And now here on this section you can simply change your first name and last name however you like. And now once you're done with that, you can just tap on update, and after that your name will be changed, and that's it. That's how you can change your name on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.